Lindiwe Zulu. I'm the Minister of Social Development. We are here at Khula Milling. Khula Milling is a milling company that is black-owned, young people who decided to venture into one of the most difficult areas, and that is milling. But it was very exciting for me to see the entire process from the time that the maize arrives here right up to the end when the milling meal gets into the bag and it's a bag. Well, I went more than that. I also went to taste the pap that was made out of this milling meal. It reminded me of my olden days when I was a child, when milling was done right at home. So the maize, the taste of the maize and the taste of the milling meal at the end of the day, you didn't lose anything in between.